This week I tackle a headboard with fold down trays. We're the White family. We live in rural Alaska. And for us, it's DIY all day, every day. My sister Phoebe is a single mom with a newborn baby. She asked me to help her with some projects that could make her life easier and more convenient. Phoebe had an idea for a headboard with flip-down tray tables so that she could stay in bed with her baby and maybe drink a cup of coffee and do some work on her laptop. I loved the idea, so I went straight to the drawing board. So here's what I'm thinking. We'll build a simple 2x4 frame, add a back and some shelving, and then some hinged-on doors that fill the framing and fold down to become tray tables. So this headboard takes 5 2x4s, and I've got them all cut out. These 3 are horizontals, and those are the legs, and then these are kind of the dividers. So I'm going to need to put 2 pocket holes on each end of these to tie them into the legs. Alright, so I got all my pocket holes drilled, and I'm going to start assembling. I'm going to start on the middle of the project and then work outward. These are all marked. We've got 2.5-inch pocket hole screws to match the 1.5-inch pocket holes. The fold-down tables need to be elevated above the mattress, but you don't want a big void on the headboard, so I'm adding this 2x4. It was a little stubborn. I just screwed it to the legs and bottom of the 2x4 frame with pocket holes. Now for the shelves. I just cut a spacer block and used it as a guide to place the shelves. I got all of my shelves put in, and I'm going to go ahead and add the back. But before I add the back, I'm going to mark where all the shelf locations are so I know where to nail. So I'm just going to take a square and mark here. All these marks here. I can just line my straight edge up with that mark. And now I know where to nail to. Now I'm going to build the doors. The doors are made out of 1x3s. I used my Craig foreman to drill 3/4-inch pocket holes in the 1x3 frame boards and 1 1/4-inch pocket holes screws to attach. The frames are done. Now I'm going to attach the back. First glue. Then 1/4-inch plywood cut from the same piece as the back of the headboard. stapled on with 3/4 inch narrow crown staples. Now to see if it all fits. I'm just putting the hinges on, and these are going to get covered by the pillow so you barely notice them. So I'm going to surface mount it because it's a lot easier to get everything just right. After a good sanding, it's time for stain. My sister chose a weathered gray stain. I gotta pick up lower.
You want me to get it?
Oh my god, I just gotta pass this. Hold on. Pass this. Oh, good.
Could be a great mover. Like, you know, one of those
Hold
people
still.
that folds up in a van, you can move things.
Oh.
You might get fired the first day, but you could be a good mover. Maybe you could, like, get the cardboard boxes situated in the car.
Watch
In the
that
van.
light.
Maybe you could run their website, the furniture moving business. I'm gonna go this way.
That's cool looking.
Isn't it?
Ooh, that's nice.
We got the new headboard set up in my sister's room, and it is a huge hit. I feel comfortable that she's going to be able to take care of herself and her baby, maybe do a little bit of breakfast in bed, maybe do a little bit of work. We spent about $60 on materials for this project. If you want to build it too, the plans are linked below in the description. If you do build, please share, because I love seeing your projects and hearing about how it worked out for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next Monday.